What do you look for in emergencies if electric car?
I lost my mind, so I stepped out for time. I went for a walk on a long road to unwind.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Thanks.
I met myself there, saying go.
Birdies.
I don't.
I turn around and the colors just betray the yellows and blues are the ones I still wear today. They knock me out there, they barely move now.
Shot.
So the bear spray right next to it.
I lost my mind, so I stepped out for time. I went for a walk on a long road to unwind. I met myself there, saying go.
Crazy.
Hey.
Dude, those colors.
Yeah.
What flavor? All of it's not blue, we're happy. Oh, that's a blue. Oh my god. Yeah, and it's also got a a front-facing camera. So I don't know how to enable it, but
Yeah, but damn, that's cool shit.
yeah, it's cool as hell.
Is that how you keep it charged?
How do you what?
Got a few tiny little batteries, and we have a portable,
got a portable
cell phone
battery.
charger.
Yeah. It's 1,650 miles from my house. The first day we drive about 20 hours, 18 to 20 hours.
Oh, wow.
We drive from Tennessee to Amarillo, Texas.
So they took him back they took him to the hospital, and he hadn't been eating for almost 30 days. They didn't know it.
Jesus.
Actually, it used to be like a parasol.
Oh my god, yeah.
Basically, we're here. You guys are gonna be in this. Yeah, which I don't know if this is gonna be good for you. This is more for flying.
We're gonna try to get you on Saturday. If not, I can't guarantee a Sunday pickup, so but stay there. We'll get your word to the Rangers, and the Rangers will come talk to you.
Oh, that's helpful.
Like a phantom.
What's your amount? What's the elevation? 7,000. What are we sitting at?
We're at 4850.
Stork.
Shines its understanding.
This is where you need a machete.
See the moon smile.
Very cold. Eel, not bad actually.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm ready to receive.
Correct. 2 cups, 1 cup.
Cause we're not at the mercy of your shimmers and spells. Your shimmers and spells. We are the earth. To her we do return. And the future is inside us. It's not somewhere else. It's not somewhere else. It's not somewhere else.
That's pretty wild.
What happened? Huh? Really? What did you feel like?
Bite?
Oh shit. Oh, I didn't see anybody.
Call upon.
Catch you at 8 a.m. Can you radio in or no?
Yeah, I can radio in. I'll probably radio in. They're honestly probably waiting for a good one.
And the numbers don't decide.
If you like, it'll be fun. We obviously have some storms coming in, so we're gonna get up, get out, and just sort of see how we can get out. So it's gonna be just one of those things.
A river running dry. The wings of butterflies. And you may pour us away like soup. Like we're pretty broken flowers. But we'll take back what is ours. We'll take back what is ours.